common way to get the benefits of a cartridge collector in cement and mining is to take a baghouse and then use these pleated filter elements. So these pleated filter elements are a type of cartridge that is designed to retrofit into a baghouse. So they have some of that where the media is pleated and jammed onto the filter, so it has more filter area than a bag, but it's not jammed so tightly like the cartridge collector cartridges, where you get a lot of the problems where the dust can't be removed and things like that. So usually we see these retrofitted into existing baghouses, but sometimes we do new systems with them as well for mining and cement. More often they're used when we have bin vents or small systems as opposed to a very large baghouse. But absolutely something that you should investigate in some of your applications with someone like us to see if it's a viable option, because there's a lot of benefits to switching to the pleated filters in your baghouse.